In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily unsubscribe on YouTube from all the subscriptions at once. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up YouTube application. Then make sure you are logged into your account, and once you are done with that, you need to tap right here at subscriptions. Then tap right here at all, and what that will do, that will show us all our subscriptions in that list. And from here, if we would like to unsubscribe from someone, all we have to do is just tap right here at that button next to someone's channel's name, and then tap at unsubscribe. In this way, we can continue doing the same steps and unsubscribe from all the channels one by one. Unfortunately, there is no option to unsubscribe from all the subscriptions in one click.